I have a really quick and simple woodworking tip for you today, but before I get into that, I might have to do a little aside explaining what I'm holding to maybe 1% of the people watching this. And those people probably have a birth year starting in a 20. So to those people, before ice came from our refrigerators magically from the door or inside, we had to make our own. We'd pour water into one of these ice cube trays, we'd set it into our freezer and wait until these froze and we could crack it and get ice. But now we don't need these anymore. So if you have an extra one of these laying around or you want to pick up a couple from your local dollar store, they do make really great organizers for small parts. So what I like to do if I'm taking something apart that has lots of parts, I'll lay it out in the tray of the order it came apart. So like this router bit has a screw, and I'll put that down, and then the bearing, and then a washer, so I know what order all those go back on. And then I also like to use it to, when I'm cleaning my bits, so I'll take a little bit of my blade and bit cleaner. I can pour that into one of my trays there, and if I need to soak the bit for a while, it can sit in there and soak, and now I don't have to worry about losing my different parts and pieces or them rolling off the bench as I'm waiting. So that can soak, and then I can come in here with my toothbrush, clean that part all up, maybe let it soak some more, but that's gonna keep everything in one place, and then when I need to put it all back together, I know exactly the order it goes in.